Good morning, boys and girls. It's Thursday, and it's been such a nice week. And I know you've been wanting to get outside, and I can tell because I'm not getting everybody sending me in their work. But you know what? I understand that. And this is really the last week of doing so many activities. So I see that you've been out making your rock collection boxes. I see that you've been out collecting your rocks, and everybody should have 12 rocks right now, right? So I thought today maybe we will just do a little math together. And of course, I did read you a book today. You'll see it later. It's a book called Stone Soup. So make sure you look for that when you're ready to hear a story. It's a great story. So anyway, let's try this for starters. And I'm going to see what I can do to make it so you can see it. There we go, maybe. All right, so what I have, I'm going to tip this down. Oops. What I did was I took out all my cubes. You have some of these cubes, don't you? Okay, so I've got my cubes. Let's turn it this way, see if that helps. And I've got my cards. Remember the cards that we had? I'm going to mix them all up. And this is going to be like a speed game. You're only seeing how fast you can do it yourself. But if I flip a card and quickly see the number, and I want to see how fast I can recreate it. Did I do it? 6, 6. You ready? I'm not taking away the 6. Oh, that's easy. It was 7. I just had to add one more. Leaving my 7. Oh my goodness, they're in order. So now, how many do I have? That's right, I made my 8. I'm going to mix these up a little better. Let's see what's next. Oh my goodness, they're in order. They have 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and 1 in the middle. What did I make? 9. Yipes! Did I do it? 2. Perfect. Oh, 2 plus 2 is 4. Oh. Take 1 away. Now I have 3. Take 2 away. There's 1. Yipes! 4 on this side. It's hard to go quick. 4 on this side. 2 in the middle. 4 and 4. I know that that's 8. 9, 10. Yay! And, oh, I just take all these away. I had 9. I had 10. Take away 5. And there's my 5. It helps your brain to go quicker. Now look at how many do I have? Still 5. Ready? What do I need to do to make 1? 5, take away 4, equals 1. See how I made an equation? Okay, there's my 1. Ready? Ooh, I need to get to 8. I only have 1. 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay, now I have 8. Oh, look at that. I need to get to 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. The challenge is to make up your equations in your head. Sure, if you want to do this and write them down, you can. But you know what? I understand. It's hot out. Oh, wow. 4, 4. I have 9. 1 more makes 10. Now this card shows 5. 10, what do I do? Take away 5 equals 5. Ooh, 5, what do I do? I have to take away 3 equals 2. 2, I have to get to 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4, take away 1 equals 3. There's 3. Oh, wait a minute. All I need is 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 6 plus 1 equals 7. Sometimes when you don't know what to do, get your cubes, get your cards, and do some math in your brain. Now, if you're one of those people who just loves to write equations, you can write all of those. But you know what? You don't have to. You're still doing math. What I would challenge you to do is to do like I did and to say the words, say the equations. Notice how, and you know what? You're going to start getting really, really fast. 1, 2. Some of you are faster than me. 4, 3, 6, 7. Now, parents, kids know this, but I'm showing you some ways you can practice with them over the next few weeks during the summer. How about, yeah, your child knows that's 8. Tell them what 2 numbers make 8. 5 plus 3 make 8. 6 plus 2 make 8. What's that number? It's 10. Tell me how you make 10. 5 plus 5 make 10. 8 plus 2 make 10. Very good. 5. What 2 numbers make 10? Oh, I can hear you. 2 plus 3 make 10. 3 plus 2 make 10. 4 plus 1 makes 10. What 2 numbers make 2? 1 plus 1. Very good. All right. So, use these things I've given you to practice and get smarter. But today, this is the one I want you to try. You've got your egg carton. Uh-oh, some of my numbers seem to have moved. Miss Red didn't tape them all down very good. Make sure that you have numbers in your carton. If you had to write them on the side or however you did it, it's fine, okay? So you've got your numbers. You don't need the cards. Sorry, my 6 is sideways. And you know if the 6 gets upside down, it looks like a 9. Okay, hold on. So, there's my egg carton with all of the numbers in it. Now, Miss Rudd didn't do so well with rocks. I haven't gotten out to do that, but I know you have 12 rocks, right? If you didn't get your rocks, you have 12 cubes. I'm going to use my 12 cubes. Now see how there's nothing in my egg carton, nothing in my collector. You also need your dice. You're going to shake the dice. Let's tip it here and see if we can see. Oops. Can you see it? Look at that. That was a hard one. Remember, you start with the biggest number and you just say 6. You don't have to count all those dots. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our number right now, 6 plus 5 equals 11. So in my carton, I find the number 11 and put a rock in it. I'm going to shake it again. Oh, dear me, my desk is not so good. Okay, so ready? Look what I got. Can you see that? There it is. 3 plus 2. That's right, it's 5. So in my carton, take one of your rocks, cover up the 5. So I've got 2 covered. Shake it again. Ooh, it's a double. Do you know the double? 4 plus 4. That's right. What does 4 plus 4 equal? 8. There it is. So I'm going to cover up my 8. That's your job, to keep going until you get them all covered. Ooh, what's that equation? 3 plus 1 equals 4. There's my carton. And there's my 4. Now what have I got? 6 plus 2. Now if you don't know 6 plus 2, remember which number's bigger, 6 or 2? 6. So we just say 6 and then count on. 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Oh no, I already covered the 8. Gotta go again. 2 plus 2 equals 4. We already have that one. 6 plus 2, we just did that. 8. Oh, here's a new one. 6 plus 1. We know how to add on by 1. 6 and 1 more. That's right, 7. So I'm going to put it in my 7. That's the way we do it. We go and go and go until we have all 12 of our rocks covered. All 12 of our rocks in our container. What do you think? I think I've given you a lot of math to think about today. And the cool thing is that once this is on YouTube, you can go back and look at it when you want to and play some math games. Because just using the cards and the dice all kinds of games you can play. And if you have a real deck of cards at your house, it even gets more, and you can do those things with your friends. Now, if you have a friend from our class that your mom and dad have figured out how to have virtual play dates, maybe a Zoom or a chat or something, you could each get yours out. You could each get out your dice, and you could take turns. You could see who could fill it the fastest. No cheating, because it's all about having fun with a friend, and it's about practicing those math facts. So because today is so beautiful out, this is my only video for today. Well, there's a story time one this afternoon. And guess what? Tomorrow, we will be Friday, we will be Zooming in the morning. Zooming. Bring your rock collection. Because I had some things to talk about, but I think you'll want to tell us about one of your really special rocks, what makes it special. Maybe we'll talk about the different characteristics of the rocks together. So if you have a rock collection, bring it. I'd like you to only bring 12 rocks. Don't bring a big bucket of rocks. But bring your rocks if you can, if they're small like this, and we'll do some fun things together. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow for Zoom. Ready? See ya later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe two, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippos, chow chow, brown cow, see you soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, goodbye, my good friends. Goodbye, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.